Hello, Maddie Squatters. Today we are going to be trying poopsie slimes. My sister let me use them for my video today. We have this one, we have this one, and we have this one. Let's start out with this one. She said they smell. Oh, this is a good texture. But look at my hand. Doesn't really. Let's give it a smell. It does not smell good. It doesn't. It's this one for like the stretchiness. Oh, let's give it a. There's a little bit of clicky, but for the stretchy, a 10 out of 10. For the smell, a 1. This one can smell good. If you can smell it through the camera, then you can smell how bad it is. And for like all the sparklies and container, I would give it a 5 out of 5. A 5, not a 5 out of 5. 5. Okay, there was our first slime. So I would rate the whole thing a 9 out of 10. Here's this one. This one, just had this one for a little bit, so this one's not, it's a little bit hard, but nope, not that much. But it doesn't really, when you squeeze it, it doesn't really do anything, but it's like this pearly green. See, look at this pearly green. It's probably too bright for the camera to see. See that? Pretty. Let's give it a sniff. It doesn't really smell too bad. Kind of smells like Chex Mix. But I would give this the whole thing a 5 out of 5. The glitter, I would give it probably a 10 out of 10. The slime, the color, a 10 out of 10. The stretchiness, maybe a 10 out of 10. No, a 9 out of 9. Because it rips a lot. See? I don't like that. And for the whole thing, a 10 out of 10. So, oh, we forgot to do a clicky test. Okay. It doesn't really do clicky. Let's try to make a slime bubble. Put that there on my thing. Oh, I didn't make it. It's kind of hard to make a slime bubble with this little slime. We're done with 2 slimes, and then here's the last slime. Oh, wait, maybe I have. Oh, I see something. I guess slime at the end. Oh. This is sticky. so sticky. Look how sticky this one is. I love this one. It's very stretchy. It's very stretchy. I'll give the stretchiness a 10 out of 10. The color, a 10 out of 10. But the stickiness, no. No. Let's put this back in its container. Okay. That one is a little bit of miss. Yes. Okay. This whole thing together, and no. Nothing. Okay, I'm not gonna give the whole thing anything. It's sticky. I probably just got it in my hair. I'll wash my hands at the end of the video. Hopefully the slimes that we get next won't be messy. Okay. Here's this one. Okay. Let's fix the camera. Okay. This purple is taking it from the purple slime. Was taking it off of my hand because I don't want. Oh no, it stained my hand blue. Now my hands are gonna be blue. A little bit. Only for those little parts that I have. Here. Okay. I'll give this one a 10 out of 10. Okay. If you're wondering what this thing is, it's like a little necklace you made in second grade. They're made out of clay. It got hardened and then got painted. This one's very good. No, it doesn't really click much. No, it doesn't really click. Okay. Oh, that's the end for this video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn post notifications, and give it a thumbs up. Bye!